remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the seatbelt sign is turned off, and keep the aisles clear of all carry-on items. Take a moment to check your seat back pocket for any personal items, like tablets and cell phones. When you open the overhead compartment, be careful, as items may have moved in flight. And thank you for choosing American Airlines.
Welcome to Orange County. Current local time is 3:18. As a reminder, please stay seated with your seatbelt fastened until we reach the gate and the captain has turned off the seatbelt sign. We now use your cell phone as we make our way to the gate. We'll be arriving at gate 6. And checked luggage can be claimed at baggage carousel number 1. We know your choice in airlines, whether you're staying in Orange County or passing through. I'd like to thank you for choosing American Airlines. Have a wonderful rest of your day.